gentlemen, welcome to this vital and unprecedented gathering hosted by the Alliance Against the Islamic Regime of Iran Apologies for Iran. Today, we stand together at a pivotal moment that promises to shed light on the grave issues that affect not just individuals, but the fabric of our global community. The extensive and relentless terrorist activities of the Islamic regime of Iran have long threatened peace and security across the world. Today, we will expose these actions through the powerful and personal testimonies of those who have suffered directly under the regime's brutality. I want to provide context on the tragic events that have brought us together today. In September 1992, a restaurant in Berlin named Mykonos was the site of a brutal attack that resulted in the assassination of 4 Iranian Kurdish opposition leaders. This attack, widely attributed to agents of the Iranian government, highlighted the regime's willingness to pursue its opponents beyond its borders and into the heart of Europe. On March 17, 1992, a suicide bomber attacked the Israeli embassy in Buenos Aires, Argentina, killing 29 people and injuring over 200. This devastating attack was orchestrated by Hezbollah under the direction of the Iranian regime, marking it as one of the deadliest assaults on Israeli diplomatic building. 2 years later, in 1994, Buenos Aires was again the scene of terror when a bombing at the Argentinian-Israeli Mutual Association, AMIA, building killed 85 people and injured more than 300. This attack is considered the deadliest terrorist attack in Argentina's history and is also attributed to links with Iran and Hezbollah. Each of these events demonstrates the lethal reach and the relentless nature of the regime's campaign against perceived enemies, both within and beyond national borders. As we proceed, let us remind ourselves of the courage it takes for our speakers to stand before us. They are not just sharing the stories, they are calling for action. They are the voice of the silence, the echoes of resilience in the face of tyranny. First, we will hear from Kajal Haji Abbasi, a widow whose life was forever changed by the infamous Mykonos restaurant attack in Berlin. Her late husband, Fattah Abdoli, was assassinated in this act of state-sponsored terrorism. Kajal's perspective brings us together closer to understanding these crimes' profound personal loss and ongoing impact. Next, Golale Sharafkandi will take the stage. As the niece of Dr. Sadegh Sharafkandi, another victim of the Mykonos restaurant assassination, Golale advocates tirelessly for justice and the remembrance of those whose lives were truly cut short. Following Golale, we are honored to have Parviz Asmalchi with us, a survivor of the Mykonos restaurant assassination. His miraculous survivor and subsequent activism are powerful testimonies to the resilience of those who oppose tyranny. We'll also hear from Roxana Levinson, who will share her story as the niece of both Graciela Levinson, killed in the 1992 Buenos Aires Israeli embassy bombing, and Jamie Plaskin, killed in the AMIA bombing. Roxana represents the extended global community affected by the regime's oppressive actions. Lastly, we will hear from Mr. Fardad Farazad, a renowned anchor for Iranian International TV. Fardad's recent Brush with Danger, a foiled assassination plot planned in the UK, underscores the far-reaching threats posed by the regime against its critics. Their voices form a chorus calling for awareness, action, and change. Let us listen, reflect, and respond with urgency this cause deserves. Thank you for being here today. Let us begin.